Hello friends, let's see some examples of percentage and also solve problems of percentage just in 1 minute. Let's see some examples. A scored 30% marks and failed by 15 marks. B scored 40% marks and obtained by 35 marks. Extra than those required to pass, and the pass percentage is how many marks are getting extra and what is the requirement to pass in the exam, right? Let's see. A scored 30% and failed by 15, and B scored 40% and more by 35. What is the difference between two users and B? Actually, right, 40% minus 30%, we get difference 10%. What is the total of that? Because A failed by 15 marks and B more getting 35 marks, so A plus B, that is the 50, right? Let's see some formulas you know very well. If the 10% has different 50 marks, and what is the difference of 100%? So we get definitely 500 the value, right? So 500, it is the total. So A score how many percentage? 30%. So 500 into 30 divided by 100. So how many score are getting by A? That is the 150. That is the 30% marks. But how many marks are failed by A? That is the 15. So 150 plus 15 marks, it is a 165 marks to passing that exam, right? So let's see how many percentage are required to pass that, right? 165 divided by 500, and that we are getting 33% to pass the exams. Let's see another examples. In an election between two candidates, one got 55% marks, 55% vote of the total valid votes. 20% of the votes were invalid. If the total number of votes was 7500, the number of valid votes that the other candidates got, what actually, right? Second person is how many votes, and that is the valid votes, how many votes are gets. Let's see, right? That is the valid votes are 7500, right? 20% are invalid, so 80% is valid votes. So 80% of 7500, it is 6000, that is the valid votes, right? So valid vote polled by the other candidates, right? 55% valid votes are get first person, and second person is get 45 percentage, right? So 45% of 6000, right? So we get say 2700, right? So that is the actual votes are getting by the second percentage. Let's see the another examples. Gauri went to the stationery and bought things worth rupees 25, out of which 30 paise went on sales tax on taxable purchases. If the tax rate was 66%, then what was the cost of the tax-free items? Let's see the assumptions. Let's the amount taxable purchase is rupees X, right? 6% of X, so X is equal to 30 paise, that is the sales tax on the taxable purchases. 30 paise divided by 100, so what we are getting? 30 paise divided by 100 into 6%, right? So that is the inverse 100 divided by 6. So what is the value of X? That is the 5, right? So cost of tax free item is 25 रुपीज़ पे हमने जो लिया है, -5 प्लस हमने जो सेल्स टैक्स पे किया है 0.30 पैसे. सो एक्चुअल प्राइस ऑफ ओवर दैट इज 19 rupees 0.70 पैसे, right? Thank you friends. If you liked our video, subscribe our YouTube channel.